Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Calendly onto your WordPress website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and have your scheduling events on Calendly appear on your WordPress website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Calendly. Then, next to the scheduling event, click on these three dots, and then click on Add to Website. Next, click on Inline Embed, and then click on Continue. Now, on the right-hand side here, you're going to find the embed code. This is the code in your HTML where you want your Calendly widget to appear, so that you can copy this code and paste it into your HTML, or click on Copy Code, and once you copy this code into your HTML, it should appear on your WordPress website. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and embed Calendly onto your WordPress website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.